Oh, hey there. What's poppin', pals? My name is John Barker, and I'm still the award-winning pitmaster of Beach Bum Barbecue and the executive chef here at Skull and Mortar. Guys, today we are going to smoke a gigantic Tomahawk Ribeye. For real, guys, look at this marbling. This thing is beautiful. This is probably the most beautiful steak that I've ever cooked in my entire life. It may be the most beautiful steak that I ever will cook, and we're gonna try and do this justice today. Now, I have cooked 1,000,000 ribeyes, maybe 1,000,001, maybe 1,000,001.5. I don't know, but I've cooked a lot of them. Who knows? It's uncountable at this point. But I've never smoked a gigantic Tomahawk ribeye, and we're gonna do that today. I'm gonna show you how we smoke it on the smoker, and it's either going to be a $45 disaster or it's gonna be fantastic. Let's find out together. Guys, we're just gonna keep this cooked simple too. This meat is not gonna need a lot to be delicious. We're gonna have the flavor of this bone in here, so all this meat is gonna be crazy good. We got great fat throughout. I don't think that this steak needs anything crazy, so I'm just gonna take some of that basic SPG seasoning, and we're gonna give it a good coat here. Now, I really want to bring out the color in this meat, and I want to put some more peppery notes into it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit it with my barbecue rub. Again, just a light dusting. I don't want it to taste like barbecue, but I do want to get in the notes from that seasoning. I'm going to give a big ups to Uncle Roger. I'm gonna hit this bad boy with a little dose of MSG. And MSG is going to make this it's gonna take it from a 10 to like a 15, dude. That's what this MSG is gonna do to it. So we're gonna put this bad boy on the smoker. Now I want the steak to be a medium, so I'm gonna push my meter right in there, try and get as close to the center of the steak as I can, because that's where I want the temperature to be at 145 degrees. I don't know how long it's gonna take. We're gonna throw it in the smoker, and we're just gonna be patient and let it ride out. Patience is a pitmaster's best tool. Be patient. We got our tomahawk here, guys, and this thing is looking beautiful. Look at that juice just running, man. This is probably the juiciest piece of meat you'll ever see. Probably your girlfriend or wife too. That's beautiful looking, but I think that we can make it even more beautiful. I really want to pop the crust on this thing, so I'm either gonna ruin it or I'm gonna make it fantastic right now with this bad boy right here. That's right, my friends. We're gonna break the sears all out on it. We're gonna try and up that crust level to the maximum crust. All right, guys, we're gonna cut into this bad boy, and we are gonna see exactly what we're working with. Look at this, we're about to lose it. Look how juicy this steak is, man. Guys, you know what time it is now. We have got to taste the meat. Don't be a pervert, man. Can we get through one video where we're not making taste the meat jokes or handle the meat jokes? Come on, guys. Anyway, let's cut right through here. All right, let's get a bite of this. I don't even care, dude. Make all the meat in the mouth jokes you want. Wow, dude. It's great. The smokiness is wonderful. The seasoning on the outside is perfect. Guys, you're not gonna get a better steak than this. It's phenomenal. The tomahawk lives up to the hype. I'm probably gonna eat every last bit of this. So I might be in the hospital next week. So there may or may not be a video. We'll find out. As always, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Make sure to check the links down below. There is a link to order my barbecue sauce, so grab some. It's gonna be shipping here probably about the time that you are watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for all future content, and let me know what you want to see down below. I appreciate the energy and the positivity. See you next week.